Here, nice blooming, starting here with the sunflower. Here is the Friedhof in our place. Friedhof means cementerio. When the summer comes, it's always beautiful in a cemetery here. So many nice flowers.
Kom beste game. Er war so gut. Hier.
Yeah.
Gehst du da rein? Was?
I look for many nice flowers.
Irgendwie ein mega Sheet of flowers. Schutzrechte werden aus.
It's nice in the sun. It is warm. Shadow lang nakasum. It's nice in the sun. Ang gaganda ng mga grave nila. Come here, Bitte. Let us find out the grave of Frau Smith. It's always she don't buy grave for herself. Her grave is anonymous, and I cannot find her name here. I cannot find her name here. Here, I cannot find her name. This is the list. But I don't find her name here. It's already 1 year.
Hier kann man sich hinstellen.
So we just open a candle here.
Nee, komm, ich mach's nicht. Ich kann nicht mehr laufen.
One candle is with cover and the other has no cover. Ang cute oh. So pag may hangin, pwedeng mamatay, pwedeng hindi. I don't know where is the name of Frau Smith here. Maganda ang sementeryo pag summer. Maraming magagandang bulaklak. So many nice flowers. Mayroon pa yan. Ayan, mga walang pangalan yan. Yan. It has no name. May isa pa doon. Nag-iisa lang doon, oh. And others are here. In this circle. Ewan ko tong isa na to. Para sa mga to. Saan tong mga to? sa mga bayani o the pari. Thank you for watching.